I think we've gone through a phase where the implementations are largely done, at least in the bulk volume that we had during meaningful use. And now we've moved into this phase where there will still be some conversions. People will switch from vendor A to vendor B from an electronic health record perspective. But that's not going to be the tidal wave that it's been over the last few years. So now it comes down to, how do we run this thing better? How do we make it less burdensome for clinicians who are, again, we read over and over again, are being burned out by the amount of effort it takes to input data into the EHR, to manage patients with an EHR, log in, log out, how many clicks they have every day. It's a burden for them. And ultimately, we want to try to create a situation, I think, with EHRs where we take that burden away and make it part of the work and almost invisible. The more invisible we can make a tool like the electronic health record, where it just works as part of the workflow, the better off everybody will be, including the patient, which is really where all of our energy should be focused. So that's going to take a lot of work. A lot of it is around optimization. A lot of it is working with our vendor partners and EHR partners and how those products are built and how they evolve over time. And then I think a lot of the work will be with people who aren't necessarily in the industry today. So there's a lot of startups and a lot of early stage companies who are doing a lot of really interesting, cool things that I think integrated into our workflow and into our products can make those products much better for our clinicians, who again, in turn, can make life better for patients and families.